Welcome to the Nurse Portal demonstration video. In this video, we will cover how to complete an APRN application using the Arizona Nurse Portal. The Nurse Portal link can be found on the Arizona State Board of Nursing's homepage by scrolling down and clicking on Apply for an Arizona License or Certificate. You will then be redirected to the Arizona Nurse Portal login page. Let's begin by entering the email address and password that was used to create the Nurse Portal account with, and click on Sign in using our secure server to log in. Once you are logged in, click on Apply for License to review the list of applications that are available. For the purposes of this demonstration, the applicant is going to apply for an APRN RNP with out-of-state compact RN application because this applicant has an active multi-state license in a compact state that is not Arizona. Click on the APRN RNP abbreviations to start the application. Here's the application instructions. The instructions inform the applicant on what to expect in the license application and what they must provide in order for the application to be considered as complete. Click Next to continue to the application. Here's the license application type section. The applicant is asked to select the population focus or foci. Then select the original jurisdiction of their RN license and provide the RN license number from the original state of licensure. If your original RN license is no longer active, you will be able to provide additional RN licenses in another section. Click Save and Continue to move forward. Next is the General Information section, where the applicant may submit a name change request, provide their marital status, maiden name, or other names used, as well as provide information pertaining to gender, race, and languages they are proficient in, along with providing their citizenship status and submitting documents such as, but not limited to, a U.S. passport or birth certificate with a driver's license. Supporting documents can be submitted by clicking on the Upload link. The applicant is then required to provide their residential or home address and phone number. Once all of the required fields have been completed, click Save and Continue to proceed. This is the Education section. All nursing education information can be provided here. Additional education can be added by clicking on Add. To move forward to the next section, click Save and Continue. Here's the Employment History section. The applicant can list their current and former employer details by clicking on the Add link. Click Add again to add additional employer information. The applicant is asked to answer workforce questions relating to their employment status. Click Save and Continue to go to the next section of the application. Next is the Other Nurse Licenses section. The applicant can add their other nursing licenses here. Click Save and Continue at the bottom of the page to proceed. Here's the National Certification section. National certification information can be provided here. However, if an applicant does not have national certification, they can select the Certification Not Required checkbox. Once all information has been provided, they can click Save and Continue to move forward. Next is the Prescribing and Dispensing section. The applicant must indicate if they are requesting for prescriptive authority by selecting Yes or No, then click on Save and Continue to proceed forward. This is the last section of the application, the Eligibility Questions section. Questions pertaining to background information and additional licensing questions are displayed here. Click on Save and Continue once all questions have been answered. This is the Preview and Submit License Application section. The applicant can review the information they provided and edit before submitting the application. Once the applicant is done reviewing, they can select the Attestation checkbox and click Make Payment to pay and submit the application to the Arizona State Board of Nursing. This concludes the Nurse Portal demonstration video on how to submit an APRN NP application using the Arizona Nurse Portal.